This is a quick 3-minute video showing you how to solder up your test board for the Year 9 project. So starting off with your soldering iron, make sure it's been plugged in for at least 5 minutes before you use it. Make sure that the sponge here has water on it and then squeeze all the water out so it's just moist. Make sure you've got a steady hand. You've got your board that you're going to be soldering onto. You've got some components and you've also got some solder. So first up, get your component, which in this case is a resistor. You've been asked to bend the legs to form a right angle. That needs to be threaded through from the back of the strip board to the outer holes on each side. Just going to bend that over so you can see it and pushed firmly into place. You need to splay those legs one way then the other to keep it firmly in position. Then clip that board onto the steady hand. Get your soldering iron. You can see that it's got a tip on it, a flat tip. That's where we want to be applying the solder. I want you to clean that tip so it's bright silver and then apply it to the board. When you apply it to the board, you want to leave it there for about 3 seconds and then apply about 5mm worth of solder and then drag the iron up the leg to form a joint which has a shape similar to a volcano. I think this is a little springy, so I'm going to push it a little bit further into my steady hand. I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to apply the iron, count to 3, apply about 5mm worth of solder. I'm going to leave the soldering iron on there for about a count of 3 and then drag up the leg to form another nice joint. Once you've done that, let it cool for 5-10 seconds, take it out, and with the silver side cutters, because they're the sharpest ones, you can clip those legs away, and that is your soldered joint.